As a displaced resident of the state of Manipur, the Deacon of the Evangelical Free Church of India S. Chinpu had recently sought shelter in the border village of Pilangkata in RI Bhoi District of Meghalaya. This followed from the clashes between Meitei and Kuki tribes wherein much violence had ensued from the communal unrest in the northeastern states of Manipur. It may be mentioned that many residents of the state have sought shelter in Pilangkata in the border area of RI Bhoi District. While appealing to the residents of Manipur today, Deacon S. Chinpu urged upon each one of them to end the violence to ensure peace and harmony once again across the entire state.
Fortunately, in Manipur, we are facing this problem unprecedentedly that we don't expect that this to happen. But due to all these things, we could not stay there no longer, and our house has been burned down and our things has been looted. But we want peace, and we want that the peace has returned back as soon as possible. As soon as the situation is normal, we are ready to go back there and settle there and do our normal duty. As we have got many things to do there, or some are working in the office, and we are doing our own business there. So we are coming here for temporarily and we are staying here in this place. We feel very comfortable here also, but the people here are cordial and they are helping us. And I hope that peace return back within this short period. After that, we'll be returning back from Guwahati to Pilangkata to Imphal as soon as possible. That is our wish and our intention to do in the future.